Hello students, today we solve one easiest question. The question is, a tank is filled with a liquid of refractive index root 2 up to a height of 30 cm. A tiny bulb is glowing at the bottom of a tank. Calculate the diameter of an opaque disc floating symmetrically on the liquid surface that can cut off completely the light from the bulb that comes out of the liquid surface. Let's see what is given in the question. There is a tank, it is filled with the liquid which is having refractive index root 2 and the height of the liquid in the tank is 30 cm. A tiny bulb is placed at the bottom of the tank and it is glowing. When it is glowing, the light gets refracted into the air from the liquid when the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle, because here the light is traveling from denser to rarer. We know when light travels from denser to rarer, total internal reflection takes place when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, and at the critical angle the refracted ray is grazing emergence. So this is the circular area through which the light get refracted from liquid into the air, that is the angle of incidence is less than the critical angle. So if we place the opaque circular disc in this circular area, that can completely blocks the light which is coming from the liquid surface into the air, and we need to find the diameter of the circular disc. First we find the radius of the circular disc, because we know radius equal to r by 2. From that we calculate the diameter of the circular disc. Now what is the radius of the circular disc? That is, this is the radius of the circular disc and this is the critical angle. If this is the critical angle and this angle also critical angle, because the angle between the opposite angles between the parallel lines are equal, so this is the critical angle. What is a critical angle? That is tan theta equal to opposite side by the adjacent side. Opposite side is nothing but the radius of the circle and adjacent side is the height of the liquid h. From this we write radius equal to h into tan critical angle. What is critical angle? We know critical angle formula, that is sine of critical angle is mu rarer by mu denser. Mu rarer is refractive index of the rarer medium, that is 1 air medium, and refractive index of the liquid is root 2, that is given in the question. So this is the direct formula of the critical angle, or we write according to the Snell's law. So from this critical angle equal to sine of 1 divided by root 2, which is nothing but 45 degree. So when we substitute critical angle as 45 degree, tan 45 is 1. So the radius of the circular disc is equal to height of the liquid, that is r equal to 30 centimeter. We know diameter is 2 into r, which is nothing but 60 centimeter. So the diameter of the circular disc that can cut off completely the light from the bulb comes out of the liquid surface is 60 centimeter.